In this guide, we'll show you how to change the mouse cursor color in Windows 11. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Customizing your cursor color is a simple way to personalize your experience, especially if you're bored of the default look. Let's get started. First, click the Start button at the bottom of your screen and open Settings. From there, go to the left-hand side and select Accessibility. Scroll down to the Interactions section and click on Mouse. Next, scroll down until you find Mouse Pointer under Related Settings. Here, you'll see different cursor style options. You can choose a preset color like black or select a custom option to pick your own color. Once you choose Custom, click on the color box to select a new color. You can pick from the available options or fine-tune it to any color you like, for example, red. After selecting your color, click Done, and your cursor will update instantly. That's it, you've successfully changed your mouse cursor color. If you found this helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more guides.